Okay, we're honest, we've almost probably been guilty of this one before, and that is putting content out there without either knowing how to optimize it or not of optimizing it for SEO because, we just slapped it out there and got it up there. We've all done it. I'm not immune. We've all done it at some stage in time. So in this video, we're going to delve into ways that you can go back and revisit past content and optimize it and leverage it for SEO, and also maybe make some other content out there that's going to help you increase your traffic and engagement. If we've not met before, my name is Linda Reed-Enever. I'm an ideas and marketing strategist, and I help you create impact for your business. So today we're looking at how we can use the content we've already got out there and increase its SEO value, and also how we can use it to boost future content's SEO value as well. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go back to our blogs. Now, if you're hosting your blog on a WordPress website, there's tools out there like RankBack and like Yoast that will help you optimize your content for keywords. So you can be able to pop in some keywords, see what the elements are like, and optimize it. Now, if that content is still evergreen and fresh, you might update it, add some new stuff, and then republish it with a new date. So that show that it's updated, which shows Google and the algorithms that you like to update your stuff. If the blog post is out there and you're still not sure on how to rank it and get the right keywords in it, there's a very handy tool out there called Brainwork. And Brainwork allows you to be able to take that blog in there and either connect it up via WordPress plugins to your website. And it will help optimize the blog post for the keyword. It might help you rephrase things, rewrite things. It uses a mix of AI and your eye and insight to be able to make sure that you get the right value of SEO inside that space. The other thing I love about Brainwork for making sure that we can optimize that content for more reach is it tells us what questions are being asked there out on places like Quora, on Facebook groups, and Answer the Public, where we can maybe go and take that blog and go and share it in front of a new audience and engage new content out there. So that's where we start with our blogs. And if we haven't done it on our websites, we also need to do it from that point of view too. If we offer a services page and it happens to be car parts, we want to make sure that that page is ranking for the title of car parts as well. So make sure that you go and use the tool SEO optimization tool like RankMath or Yoast to be able to help you do all of that. There are other tools out there, All-in-One SEO. There's a number that you can tap into to being able to optimize that site. The other thing that you want to do with your website is you want to make sure that your images are optimized. So they're all ready to go and they're all optimized. They're the right size. We haven't used any images that are too big. And if we have, we resize them. A handy tool called GT Metrics will allow you to run your site through a site speed check and check if there's anything that you can fix there. Now, some sites will be info and information heavy. They will be image heavy. And we can't get it ideal. But if we can make a few changes along the way and increase it, the increase in speed time will see its benefit from an SEO point of view. The next piece of content that you can leverage from an SEO point of view to get more reach and to help you drive more traffic is your videos. Okay, now in the video world, there's a tool out there called vidIQ that helps you optimize your video for keyword reach and making sure that you're delivering your video to the right people. It also has a daily ideas generator that takes a look at the videos that you've already got and gives you some suggestions and ideas, and competitors' channel ideas about videos that you can produce. By being able to look and optimize those videos for better reach, we're able to get better engagement. The other way we can optimize our videos for better reach is to include them on our website, okay, and share it. And then share it in front of other people's audiences. So go and answer those questions. You can even use Brainwork to put your video show notes into and do things like that along the way. It's a very, very handy tool. And then we can optimize our videos on YouTube itself by making sure that we clip it. So we can use a tool like Opus Clip to clip the video, and then we can start loading it to shorts, and then we can add related videos. And by adding that related video to shorts, it increases the video optimization, and it means we're making more out of the content we've already got. And who doesn't want to do that? The benefits of optimizing that past content before we go and create new content off it from SEO points of view allows us to be able to see what's working for us. So go and fix up the content from the past, and now it's time to start creating new content. So this is now where we use our analytics and our Google Search Console to say, okay, people are visiting this post. They are loving this post. They're staying on this post. They keep reading more posts of it. So we want to start writing more posts or creating more videos based off that. So we'd use and for videos, we'd use our Facebook analytics, we'd use our TikTok analytics, we use our YouTube analytics, and we would see what's working really, really well. And then we would make sure that we are cross-linking. So cross-linking tells the web that, this is also irrelevant, but also cross-linking so that people who are reading that article or watching that video or blog are cross-linking together. And when you're embedding videos and podcasts and episodes inside your blog, make sure that you are cross-linking things together so that people can find the resources that add value on each other. By cross-linking, by offering good SEO, by allowing people to find good quality content, we reduce the bounce rate on our website. And we want people to continue to go in page after page until they find what they want and either decide whether that we are the people they want to work with and may make a purchase, or decide that we're not and they disappear out. But we want to make sure that we are going through that process. Now, optimizing past content for SEO is all about making sure that we have put our best foot forward with the content that we've already got out there, because we've created it. It might as well be reaching the right audience and helping us engage with those people. So your steps for today are to go away, find a blog post, find a video, and start optimizing it. Maybe start adding those videos and those blogs within your process to make sure that they're optimized on a regular basis, and things change over time. So that's why here at Reed-Enever Group, we like to put our blogs through a 12-month review where we go back 12 months after they're published and just make sure the keywords, the images, all the things are still correct. The video and the terminology is correct. And if it's updated, we might refresh it and republish it and bring it up to the top end of our feed. It still shows from the original publication date as a link history from that SEO point of view, and that's really good as well. SEO doesn't have to be complicated. It's quite often little simple tweaks that help us have our content reach more audience. Until next time, my name is Reed-Enever. I'm an ideas and marketing strategist, and I help you create more impact for your business and your brand.